Welcome to the second video of the series From Plank to Planche. If you are a beginner and really starting from scratch, I really recommend you watching the first video about the plank. So, in this video, we are gonna learn the frog stand. So, every skill, no matter how basic it is, can be broken down into separate elements. And for frog stand, there are two elements, the balance and the strength. First comes the strength part. So for the strength part, I would really recommend you doing these exercises. First, the pike hold, and second, the pike push-ups, just for building the strength in your shoulders to actually hold the frog stand. And one important tip that I want to share with you that I have learned from the best in the game, that to learn any skill, you have to be as specific as you can. Sure, doing push-ups, pull-ups, the basic foundation stuff is cool and all, but if you want to progress faster in a skill, you need to be as specific as possible. So to be specific in frog stand, we will be doing the exercises of strength and balance in the respective position. Now for the balance part, we need to get in the position of the pike hold, and from here our goal is to lift both of the legs. This is the frog stand. So we'll start with the one leg in the pike position. What you need to keep in mind is to place the posterior part of your elbow to the inner part of your knee, the medial part. So starting from the pike position, bend your arms a little, place one of your knee on one of your elbows. Just try to get comfortable in this position. Do same with the other side. Okay. So after you get comfortable on one side, you need to switch to both of the sides. Placing your knee on the one side and try to lean forward. When you lean forward, the weight will be shifted more on your shoulders and your arm and will be released slowly from your feet, from your lower body. Placing one knee, leaning forward, get comfortable here. Do same with the other leg. Lean, get comfortable, and once you get comfortable also in the leaning, you need to just lift your knee and place on your other elbow. One knee, lean, lift and place. Now of course you'll fall in this position head first, but it's okay, it's part of the process. You need to go through this to understand the hold, to how to apply the force from your fingers and your palm to keep balance between that position. Also with your palms, what you need to be doing is understanding yourself, how you will be balancing with your fingers when you will be leaning forward to prevent the forward fall, and to prevent the backward fall, you need to understand how to apply force through your palms. This is the balance part that you will be understanding through time and through practice. The frog stand is not as hard as some people may think. It's really easy and it's really basic once you understand its techniques and what you need to work on. In the next video of this series, I will be covering the crow pose, as I believe that it is really similar to the frog stand. The techniques, the proprioception, it's kind of similar to the frog stand. So it will be easy once you master the frog stand. So fellas, that was it for this video. I hoped it was informative to you. I hope you really unlock the frog stand soon. and I'll be really grateful if you'll be able to unlock the frog stand through this video. Next skill, the crow pose. See you soon.